Whale. There are many species of whales, which are generally divided into two main groups: baleen whales and toothed whales. Baleen whale. Blue whale, the largest animal on Earth. Humpback whale, known for its acrobatic displays and complex songs. Gray whale, famous for its long migrations between feeding and breeding grounds. Fin whale, the second largest whale species, recognized for its speed. Minke whale, one of the smaller baleen whales, often found in coastal waters. Toothed whales. Sperm whale, the largest toothed whale, known for its deep diving capabilities. Orca killer whale, a highly social and intelligent predator, known for its distinctive black and white coloration. Beluga whale, known for its white coloration and vocalizations. Narwhal, famous for its long, spiral tusk, which is actually an elongated tooth. Bottlenose dolphin, one of the most recognized dolphin species, often found in coastal areas. Thanks for watching. Please help channel by like and subscribe.